Wait. Traveling north. Wait. Wait.
There's the other one over here. Oh, this one has a new voice too. It does the walk sign is on to cross instead of walk sign is on now. That's interesting. And it gives you a long waiting period too. Listen to this. Yep, it stopped. No countdown either. Never mind.
Wait. Traveling north.
Yeah, somebody has definitely tampered with these. This one used to...
Wait.
And this one also does the continuous wait sound too. Someone has tampered with these too. These used to say... This one used to say traveling east.
Wait.
How come these all now say traveling north? That's stupid. But this one does say the walk sign is on to cross.
Wait.
Which is new. Listen to this.
Wait.
Bro.
Wait.
It's taking so goddamn
Wait.
long. There we go. "31-second countdown." If I were to guess, all these buttons do it.
Wait. Traveling north.
Yep.
Wait.
Even this one. Okay, that one turned yellow instantly. 3, 2, 1.
Wait.
Can I go now?
Walk sign is on.
Someone has got some squeaky brakes, I'll tell you that. Still saying walk sign is on to cross. What that?
Wait. Traveling north.
Of course. Says the wrong thing again.
Wait.
This is the last crosswalk on La Cañada I'm gonna visit today. Probably won't be visiting anything else later on.
Wait. Traveling north. Wait. Traveling north.
These are not... Someone has done a bad job programming these, because these used to say all different directions, and this one used to say walk sign is on.
Wait.
Now it says walk sign is on to cross, and the directions are all off.
Walk sign is on to cross.
You know what they say instead? Traveling north. Anyways, we're almost done here. That's it. That's it for this video.